So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a citation into a document inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is, it goes without saying, open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, here in the top left, the Home tab is selected. But if you were to slide this a little bit to the right until you come across References, press on the References tab right here, located between Layout and Mailings. Now, once you're here, simply just go to this top bar right here, scroll a little bit to the right until you come across Insert Citation right here. So you can just go ahead and press on Insert Citation just like this. And once that is done, you can actually add a citation into your document. So you can add the author's name, the title, the city, the publisher, the year. So just by demonstration, right here, we'll just copy this right here. So author, we'll just go, Johnson. Title, we'll say title just like that. So we'll go city, we'll go publisher. I'll just change this to author right here, and then I will go year just like that. So once that is done, if you like it, like how it looks, you have all the info added, go ahead and press on OK just like that, and there you go. You've now added a citation, or I guess inserted a citation into your document here on Microsoft Word. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to insert a citation into a document inside of Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.